Hi, welcome to iAnyGo. In today's video, I will show everything you need to know about Pokemon Go Fest 2024. First, let's talk about two impressive new Pokemon. During this event, we can encounter the new Pokemon called Necrozma and Marshadow. Necrozma is a legendary Pokemon that can be fused with Solar Energy and Lunar Energy to be different branches, Dusk-Mane Necrozma and Dawn Wings Necrozma. Marshadow is fighting and Ghost-type mythical Pokemon that you don't want to miss. The mythical Pokemon Marshadow is the focus for this year's event. Trainers will receive an event-exclusive special research, which, when completed, will reward trainers with an encounter with the Gloom Dweller Pokemon. Okay, let's talk about event location. The event will be held on 3 different cities in different countries. You can buy the ticket to join the event in the real world and get Fusion Necrozma ahead of the global event. The first event is held in Sendai, Japan, from May 30 to June 2. There will be limited Pokemon, Poliwag, Tyrant, Totodile, and the ticket will be 3,600 yen. And if you are lucky, you will meet the shiny one. The second event is held in Madrid, Spain, from June 14 to 16. There will be limited Pokemon, Esper, Lickitung, Tortuga. The ticket will be €32. The third event will be held in New York City, USA. There will be limited Pokemon, Jangmo-O, Oranguru, Phantom. The ticket will be $30, and the last event will be global. From July 13 and 14, there will be limited Pokemon, Galarian Stunfisk, Inkay. On the last day of global, there are also special research. They give us free access to Necrozma, so don't miss out. If you want to join Pokemon Go Fest 2024 without walking, you can use iAnyGo Location Changer. iAnyGo is the best and most powerful location changer that can easily change the virtual location for your iOS device or Android in Pokemon Go. You can play Pokemon Go at home. Let's enjoy Pokemon Go Fest 2024. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.